In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to build a super agent in Base44. By the end, you'll know how to open Base44, create a super agent, describe exactly what you want it to do, connect it to the right tools, and start giving it useful instructions. First, open your browser and go to the Base44 app. Sign in if prompted and give the page a second to load. On the main dashboard, look for the super agent section in the navigation. That's where all automation and AI agents live inside Base44, so click into it to begin. Next, choose Create a new super agent. This opens the setup view for a fresh agent. You'll see a place to describe your agent and a conversation area where you can interact with it. Think of this as your control room. You define the job here, and the agent will guide you as you build. Now tell the super agent what you want it to be. For example, you could write, monitor my inbox and summarize important emails, be specific, clarify the source you care about, how often it should look, what important means to you, and what kind of summary you want back. Clear guidance here helps the agent behave reliably. Avoid sharing any sensitive details in your prompt. You don't need account credentials or private data to describe the task. If you're unsure how to connect the agent to a specific app or data source, just ask the assistant in the conversation panel. A simple question like, how do I connect my email or documents? Will typically return step-by-step pointers and the recommended connector to use. When you're ready to wire things up, click Connected To. This opens the connections area where you can choose an integration and authorize access. Follow the on-screen prompts and grant only the minimum permissions needed for the task. Double check you're authorizing the correct account, then complete the connection. After the connection is in place, return to the conversation and tell the agent what to do. You might say, summarize the last 24 hours of important messages, or show me a sample summary with key takeaways. Review the response, refine your instructions if needed, and confirm the tone and format you prefer. If something looks off, revisit the prompt for clearer criteria or confirm the connection is active. That's the full flow. Open Base44, go to Super Agents, create one, describe its job, ask for connection guidance, connect it, and then start directing the work. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.